Hello, my name is Shrikar Botla, and I'm a sophomore at Methacton High School, and I'm going to show you my entry for the Congressional App Challenge 2020, Food Pantry Pickup. First, I want to talk about what inspired me to do this project. Hunger is one of the worst things to face by anyone. In the past months, the COVID-19 pandemic created havoc with people losing jobs, not being able to feed families, and facing dire consequences. I've watched news where I saw people waiting in long lines at food banks. As I researched how technology can help with this challenge, I saw a few applications that are mostly catered towards food banks. This inspired me to create Food Pantry Pickup, a web app that allows people to select food at a food bank of their choice and select a pickup time that is convenient to them, which would result in minimal wait times. This project involved Java, Spring Boot, JavaScript, React.js, HTML, CSS, SQL, and Postgres. Now I'll walk you through how this works. On the left, you can see the user view and what it would look like on a phone. And on the right, you can see the food bank view and what it would look like on a desktop. This can be reversed as well. A food bank can use this on their phone, and a user can use this on their desktop. So on the left, I'm going to log in as a user, and I'm going to log in with my Google account. And now we can select a food bank. We can select a food bank in one of two ways. You can either view all food banks or filter by food, which I'm going to do. I can filter by the food I want, let's say apples, bananas, and beans, and we can see that food bank B went away because it did not have bananas. We can click on food bank A, and when we're greeted with the screen, we have one of two options. We can either request food or go to a donation list. If you go to a donation list, you go to a list of food that the food bank wants to be donated, and if you hit request, you're able to request food, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to request apples, bananas, and beans from food bank A, and I'm going to send this. We can see that it was a success because the request has been sent, and we can view our request on the dashboard. We can see our request here, and we can give it a time. Let's say we want to pick it up tomorrow at 1 p.m. We can do this, and now it's tomorrow at 1 p.m. Food Bank A can log in as well with their Google account. They can go to their dashboard and look at all the requests received. They can see that they got a request from Sri S for 1 p.m. tomorrow, and it's pending because they haven't accepted it. They can either accept it now or change the timing a bit so it works better for them. They can change it, so instead of 1 a.m. or 1 p.m., they can make it 1:10 p.m. to fit their needs better and maybe manage demand. They can confirm this request, and now it's accepted. If we reload on the user side, we can also see that it's accepted. When the food bank accepts the request, an email is sent to the user, and this is what it looks like. The user can now go to the food bank at the specified time for pickup. To conclude, the purpose of this web app is to make sure food requesters are able to pick up food with minimal wait times, which will also help food banks manage the demand. Thank you.